Blood clots are like natural stoppers that help prevent bleeding when you get a cut or injury. They do this by sticking together and forming a protective clot, helping us heal. But sometimes, these clots can cause big problems if they form inside our blood vessels. If they get in the way of blood flow, they can lead to serious issues like heart attacks, strokes, or lung problems. To keep our heart and blood vessels healthy, it's important to understand and control clot formation. Luckily, there are foods in nature that have special substances helping to break down these clots and keep our circulatory system working well. In this exploration, we'll discover how certain foods with natural agents can stop clots from forming and improve our heart health. Now, let's delve into turmeric, a spice celebrated for its health benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, an active ingredient with impressive properties. Curcumin acts as a natural remedy, combating inflammation, which is the body's response to various triggers. Excessive inflammation can contribute to the formation of blood clots, and curcumin steps in to mitigate this risk. Furthermore, turmeric exhibits a blood-thinning effect, a valuable attribute in preventing excessive blood thickening. This dual action of curcumin makes turmeric a noteworthy contributor to maintaining a healthy circulatory system. Let's turn our attention to ginger. Ginger is widely recognized for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it a natural remedy to address inflammation in the body. Going a bit deeper into ginger's potential benefits, we find its interesting role in reducing blood clotting. This happens because ginger inhibits thromboxane, a hormone that triggers the grouping of platelets, those tiny blood cells involved in clotting. This positions ginger as a potential contributor to maintaining healthy blood circulation. Adding to its potential blood-thinning effects is the presence of salicylates, a compound with similarities to aspirin. Salicylates can influence the blood-thinning process, supporting a smoother circulation. Cinnamon steps up as a strong contender, packed with polyphenol. These antioxidants play a key role in improving blood circulation by making blood vessels wider and reducing resistance. Additionally, cinnamon demonstrates an impressive ability to inhibit platelet activation. By preventing excessive activation of these small blood cells responsible for clotting, cinnamon helps prevent the formation of blood clots within vessels. This action is fundamental for maintaining a healthy circulatory system and lowering the risk of serious complications such as heart attacks or strokes. Vitamin E is important for your heart. It helps by preventing the formation of blood clots by inhibiting platelet aggregation. Vitamin E does this by disrupting the way these cells communicate. At the same time, it improves blood circulation. This is achieved by increasing nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels, making it easier for blood to move through. Scientists have studied vitamin E and found that it not only prevents clots but also makes your heart and blood vessels work better. So, in simple terms, vitamin E is a helpful friend to your heart, ensuring things run smoothly. Salmon takes the spotlight in promoting heart health, thanks to its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These fatty acids play a crucial role in preventing blood clots within the circulatory system. Salmon's omega-3 fatty acids interfere with the ability of fibrinogen, a key protein in blood clotting, to attach and form clots. Fibrinogen is involved in the final stages of clot formation, where it converts into fibrin and creates a mesh-like structure to solidify the clot. When salmon's omega-3s limit the binding of fibrinogen, they prevent the excessive formation of this mesh-like structure. This intervention helps maintain a delicate balance in the blood clotting process, ensuring that blood flow remains healthy and preventing the formation of too many clots. Garlic's cardiovascular strength lies in its active compound called allicin, which brings numerous health benefits. Allicin acts as a powerful anti-clotting agent, preventing platelets from sticking together and reducing the risk of unwanted blood clot formation. Scientific research explores the details of how garlic, through allicin, inhibits platelet interaction. This not only protects against clotting but also supports the broader aim of enhancing circulation. In the realm of cardiovascular support, avocados unveil a unique profile, offering benefits beyond their creamy texture. Abundant in monounsaturated fats, avocados contribute to heart health by influencing lipid profiles and promoting a favorable balance. The monounsaturated fats, primarily oleic acid, play a role in reducing platelet aggregation, adding a layer of protection against the formation of detrimental blood clots. Beyond their lipid-modifying properties, avocados also bring potassium to the table, aiding in blood pressure regulation by supporting vascular tone, which is the tightness or looseness of our blood vessels. When they have high tone, they're more squeezed and narrow, and when they have low tone, they're relaxed and wider. The level of vascular tone affects how well blood can flow through the vessels. Moving on to papaya, a tropical delight, brings more than just sweet exotic taste, it offers special benefits for your heart. At the center of its support for circulation is an enzyme called papain. This enzyme not only helps digest proteins but also has unique anti-clotting properties. Papain does this by slowing down calcium. Slowing down calcium is important because calcium is involved in making platelets sticky and in the formation of the mesh-like structure of a blood clot. The papain in papaya goes beyond preventing clots, it also helps improve blood flow, supporting overall heart health. Berries are not just delicious, they offer significant health benefits. Packed with powerful antioxidants like anthocyanins, flavonoids, and polyphenol, they shield cells from damage, lowering the risk of blood clot formation. Berries also possess natural anti-inflammatory properties, which decrease the likelihood of clots by reducing inflammation in blood vessels. Furthermore, the flavonoids in berries enhance blood flow by relaxing blood vessels and maintaining healthy blood pressure. Studies suggest that they influence platelet function, preventing the formation of excessive clots. Berries also support the health of the endothelium, the inner lining of blood vessels, by promoting the production of nitric oxide, which keeps blood vessels flexible and less prone to clots. Moreover, their fiber content contributes to digestive health, indirectly benefiting cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and lowering risks related to clot formation. In essence, these small, vibrant fruits deliver big health advantages, especially in promoting a well-functioning circulatory system. Onions bring a unique profile with their antiplatelet compounds, notably quercetin and adenosine. These compounds work together to prevent blood clotting and enhance circulation. Quercetin, a flavonoid, plays a pivotal role by limiting the production of thromboxane, a key mediator in platelet activation, reducing clot formation. Simultaneously, adenosine, another antiplatelet agent in onions, prevents platelet aggregation, strengthening their anti-clotting properties. Research not only emphasizes but also clarifies the intricate mechanisms of quercetin and adenosine, highlighting their integral roles in onions contributing to a cardiovascular system that resists clotting and maintains good circulation. Pineapple has an enzyme called bromelin. By lessening fibrin production, bromelin in pineapple helps avoid the formation of blood clots, making our circulatory system stronger. Notably, bromelin goes beyond just preventing clots, it also works to clear plaque from blood vessel walls, promoting the health of our arteries. Studies have emphasized pineapple's broad benefits, showing its potential not just in improving circulation but also in contributing to overall cardiovascular well-being. With its bromelin content, pineapple becomes a tasty and valuable addition to the range of natural helpers for a healthy heart. Last up, we have cloves. It contains a powerful compound called eugenol, which helps reduce inflammation. Besides preventing clots, clove can also relax blood vessels, allowing better blood flow. The anti-inflammatory properties of eugenol have a subtle but positive effect on heart health, supporting the various factors that influence a healthy circulatory system. Ongoing research suggests that clove may have even more advantages for keeping your heart and blood vessels strong and functioning well. Understanding and controlling blood clot formation are crucial for maintaining a healthy circulatory system. Fortunately, nature provides us with a variety of foods that offer unique properties to prevent clot formation and enhance heart health. From reducing inflammation and inhibiting platelet activation to promoting blood-thinning effects and improving blood circulation, the foods discussed present a diverse range of benefits for cardiovascular well-being. Incorporating these natural agents into our diets not only adds delicious flavors but also serves as a proactive approach to supporting optimal circulatory function. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with others. Thank you for tuning into Inner Health Zone. We'll be back for more health and wellness content, so stay tuned.